upload 4 times a week, but mostly I'm uploading every single day. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I would love it if you did. Today I have a wig review. This is an oldie but a goodie. There are some pros and cons to this unit, so we will talk about it. But let's talk about who it is. This is a Janet Collection wig, and this is Miss Elveen. Yeah, let's go with Elveen. And I have her in the color PFS4/27/30. This was part of their Natural Superflow line, deep part lace wig. She was a lace front wig, and she's heat safe up to 350 degrees. This was given to me as a gift, I'm pretty sure, so I will leave all the details of where you can find her down below. So I really enjoyed this wig. I'm gonna start with some cons first, just to get those out of the way. This wig it's older, so it does have hard lace, so that's something to keep in mind. If you have any issues with sensitive scalp, this wouldn't be probably the best for you. And that's really the only con. It's not an overly large wig cap. It's an average wig cap. The texture of the hair is on the silkier side. It's giving me sort of natural curly or hot rolled hair. So it's definitely a multicultural vibe. I really love these beautiful 27s and 30s that are all the way through. I'm not a super huge fan of the syruping right at the part. So I did go in and take some brown powder just to sort of dial it down right next to the parting area. I don't mind it throughout. I guess I just don't like it when it's like matchy. Like I said, this is an older wig though, so that's kind of like what they used to do. That's what they used to do even in your regular hair. So I'm just gonna make sure I put enough powder to sort of separate that matchiness up. She did want to tangle initially. I do feel like this is a wig that you're gonna have to keep on top of. Just because of the texture. I put some dry shampoo in her just to grit her up a little bit. She does really respond well to a brush, and you can, you know, do sort of train her and be just this pretty little like this, or you could fluff it out if you wanted to. So you do have some options. The only other thing I don't like, and this is just a personal preference, I don't like when wigs, like, do you see how this goes out and this comes in? I don't know why that drives me so crazy, but I cannot stand that. It's like that's how the curl pattern is, and even when I'm looking at it on the stock card, it's like that on her too, where it's like sort of coming in, and that's just me. I just don't like that. It's nitpicky. This is an older wig, so you're probably gonna scoop it up for super cheap, so like it's not a big deal. Just annoying to me. This is a long chick. I mean, she's at my waist. I'll put her at least 26-inch mark. The density is super nice. It's a reasonable density, a wearable density. I like how it's layered like this, because then you could sort of cut it up quite easily. So if you wanted to go to like this length, you could easily do that if it's more manageable for you. Let's look at her from the back. What is with my lipstick today? Seriously. Movement is pretty. See, I can even see from the back. I hate this, how it's curled in like that. Yeah, she's pretty. I will put down below again where you can get her and how much. She's an oldie but a goodie. I do think that this is a nice wig. Again, I would just only caution you, if you have a sensitive scalp, this is probably not going to be, because the lace is all the way back to the ear, and it's like, it's even kind of bothering me. What you can do though is like, I'll put some you know, sideburn pieces down, and then I'll take this here that I'm going to put behind my ear, and I'll actually place it back behind the ear so that it's not rubbing on the ear tab or the lace or whatever. Why does my voice sound like rah, 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 rah? But that's her. I really like this wig. This is a really cute wig. If you have this wig, or you have any wigs from this line, please let me know. I know I just reviewed, was it Luna? Was that her name? The short blue black bob. I reviewed her from this line. I have actually a few from this line that I enjoy. So this is what I have for you for this wig review. If there's another Janet Collection wig you would like me to review, put that down below. If you have this wig and you have any thoughts or comments or whatever, put that down below as well. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.